Hey guys, right here at 𝐬𝐿 Hardwood Restoration. We're doing a job in Waterloo, Illinois. This client, we came out about 6 months ago, did an estimate, end of consultation, and they got on the schedule a couple weeks ago to do a screen and recoat. Basically, they had pre-finished floors that were semi-gloss, and it's kind of losing its luster and kind of looking vulnerable in terms of the top coat. And we're gonna get it uniform and put a nice satin sheen on there. So they're excited. Hope you guys are doing well. So we're doing this service right here, as you guys can see, and they're excited. Beautiful day out here. Let me show you what we're doing. So we're doing a living room, a dining room, a hallway, and a foyer, and it's going good. We got Bridget here today. She's taping off as we speak. So we got this area here, this area here, right here. Plus we got that closet over there, this hallway, and the dining room. So we're gonna get this back, and you can just see, you know, just the marks, contaminants, dirt, grime, that kind of thing. And right here, it's kind of losing its luster. See how it's kind of doling out, and the other areas are shiny. See that? So we're gonna make this all uniform with a nice satin sheen, and it's gonna look great. So that's what we're doing. Stay tuned for results, and thanks for watching. All right, guys, you can just see how shiny here. Zoom in. See how it's kind of dull right there, because this is a high traffic area, and that's shiny. So the luster has worn off. So if you have this kind of situation, you guys need a screen and recoat, and that's where we come in. Same day service. Walk on a few hours after we're finished, and it's a very convenient service, and it's no sanding. So that's what we do. 𝐬𝐿𝐫𝐷𝐿.com.
Save your hardwood floors, make them shine bright, screen and recoat in the same day and night. Step back in just a few hours, no waters to fight. People love our service, it's a pure delight. Ayo, let's go, AOCleaning is the cure. Reviving hardwood floors, that's for sure. Cheaper than sanding, will make it pure. Visit our site at 𝐼𝐸𝐺floors.com. That's the lure. Open the doors, let the light in. AOCleaning, it's where we begin. In the Midwest, we're the floor care kings, restoring beauty, hear the joy